Oh, we got some goodness going on right now. Hey guys, this is JP with EDC Around the World. Thank you for tuning in. We decided that we're going to do a NutSac Around the World. Yeah, you guys heard me right. NutSac Around the World. We're going to take one of these NutSacs from the company NutSac, and we're going to send one all over the world so we can see what you guys would carry in your NutSacs. So NutSac was kind enough to send over this MagSatch in black, NutSac, to have us give them our thoughts about it. So guys, today I'm going to show you what I've been keeping in this NutSac. Now I've had this for a couple of weeks now, so I'm going to show you guys what I've been carrying around in here for my EDC every day for the past couple of weeks. Now I've been traveling a lot for work, so I'm going here and there and I'm doing different things. So this has more gear in it than it would on a normal day, a normal week, but everything's in here. It's a nice, neat little package, and it's awesome. So the company NutSac is a USA-based company. They make all of their stuff in-house in the USA with USA goods. They are canvas bags with a wax coating from Martexin Wax Company. It's one of the best coatings you can get on a bag. These things are durable. They've got leather accents. You can see this one here has got the bottom leather accent. The handle on the top, which is actually attached to the back, not the actual top, it has a leather accent, and the zipper pulls are leather. This bag is so well made, it blew my mind. That's why I had to have my own, because I couldn't use this for a couple of weeks and give it back and send it around the world, because I needed this for myself. I needed this in my life. This has been my go-to. Well, this one has been my go-to because I had to have one. So guys, let's get inside of here and see what's in my NutSac. So first of all, the front flap is actually magnetic. Nothing's coming out of there unless you open up the magnet flap. Once you open up the magnet flap, there are zippers on the top and in the front. This is where this stuff gets good. I don't have anything in this front pocket. Normally I carry a beard comb in there, but I switched to a titanium beard comb, and it's inside of here. So let's open up this top pocket of goodness, so you guys can see what I got in there real quick. It's loaded right up. This is the stuff I use every day. So let's get right to it. I have an Anker power pack. This is for mainly my iPad when I'm traveling around for work. This is the Anker PowerCore 2100. I carry my car keys. Sometimes they're attached to the buckle on the side here. Sometimes they're just in the bag. I do carry around my GoPro Session 4 because I love it. It's a great backup camera. I do a lot of videoing. Normally I use my iPhone, which is also in here. Then I have my iPhone's battery backup. It's got its own. This is an AutoDrive 100, full charge there, 5,000 milliamp hour power bank. This will keep my iPhone charged for up to 12 hours. So it's a win-win, and it's so small. Perfect. Then I have my first little pouch. We'll get to that in a minute. And then I have my wallet kit. We'll also get to that in a minute. And then in the back, this has a zipper pouch in the back. You can see right there. I'm going to open it up. And inside of there is my iPad. This is the iPad 2017 9.7 edition. And that fits in there in that back pocket inside the NutSac perfectly. Now I do want to touch on these two modular pouches. This is my wallet kit. Really quickly, we'll go over this. I know you guys like this kind of stuff. In the front, I have my luggage key. I do fly a lot for work, so I like to have a spare luggage key where I can get to it when I need it. Now, when I open this thing up, you can see here's my titanium beard comb I was talking about. And I have a little USB drive. This is actually a great little drive. There's a review on the channel. Go and check it out. This little drive has got a lightning port for my iPhone. So I can literally plug this into my iPhone, use an app, and it transfers things to my computer via USB, or my iPad if I didn't want to use AirDrop for some reason. Whatever. I have my Key Smart for my house keys, my post office box keys, all that. My little wallet back here. Little Kydex minimalist wallet. And then I have two more pieces of gear back here. I've got a notepad, and I got my DD214 because I'm a vet. And then I got this. Check this out. This is a little leather holder. It's got a Fisher Space Pen to go with the notebook. And it's got a little Style PS Leatherman. So I can indeed get on a plane with this. There's no blade on this. There's just the pair of pliers. There is a pair of scissors, in case you need scissors. You never know. There's a file that'll double as a screwdriver, a nice little pointy tip. And then a pair of tweezers in here as well that are excellent for EDC. All neatly stored away in this nice little gear nut leather slip for your pocket. I just happen to use it in this. This is my possibly needs essential pouch. This is stuff I might need, I might not need. But when we open it up, I have extra headphones for the gym or for work in case, I need something and I don't want people listening. I've got some extra charging cables, a little extra charging port for my iPhone. I have a little tiny boo-boo kit back here, Band-Aids and such. Nothing traumatic, because if something happens traumatic at work, I'm close to a hospital. I don't have to worry about it. I have more charging cables. I have some beard maintenance back here. Live Bearded, the American, butter, wash, and oil in case I need it. And I also have a couple of detailers. Awesome stuff, because I'm a messy eater. As in one of my last videos, my daughter pointed out, I'm a slob. It's true. It's true. I'm not going to hide it. I also have my CRKT Civet right here. Nice little tiny stainless steel blade. Obviously, this will not stay in this pouch if I have to fly, because I don't want to get arrested or lose the knife. So that would come out. And guys, that's everything that I carry in my NutSac. That is what's in my NutSac. And that is in my NutSac because it's the most convenient way to carry what I need for the day. This NutSac is going around the world. We're going to hit a whole bunch of YouTubers, and we're going to have a YouTube roundtable of review. And it's going to be coming to you soon. If you guys are interested in checking out NutSac for yourself, the links will be in the description box below, because we love them over there. You guys need to go over and check them out. So feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And my friends, grab your kit. It's time to go.